Hello friends, this video is about DHT blocker oil. I know most of you are now going through hair fall issues. And also because hair is not getting the proper nutrients, it's not able to grow as much as it's expected to grow. We should all know that elevated level of DHT hormone can be one of the causes. An increased dihydrotestosterone levels has been one of the primary contributor for both male pattern baldness and female pattern baldness. Apply this magical DHT blocker oil on your scalp and see the results in just few days. So let's start making. We are going to make this as set A and set B. For set A, we are going to mix 3 ingredients. So let us start making it. So first one is green tea powder. We're going to add 3 teaspoons of green tea powder. Green tea is also a potent DHT blocker. Now it's full of antioxidant that stimulates hair cells. Green tea prevents hair follicles from being starved of oxygen and blood. Next important ingredient we're going to add is crushed fenugreek seeds. 3 teaspoons of it. Now this fenugreek oil naturally offers moisturizing potential to soothe a dry, itchy, irritated scalp. This may help to reduce inflammation and dandruff. Its antifungal and antibacterial property may also prevent overgrowths that can contribute to hair loss. Next important ingredient is turmeric. You're going to use organic turmeric powder. It is also a DHT blocker. It contains high level of curcumin in it, and studies shows that the alpha-5 reductase enzyme is blocked by action of your turmeric, and this decreases the level of DHT in scalp and reduces the hair fall in man. So now mix all these 3 ingredients together very well. Now this is your set A made up of turmeric, green tea and fenugreek seeds. It's all ready. You're going to set it aside, and now let's start making the set B. That's made of 30 ml of coconut oil. The first ingredient is 30 ml of coconut oil. Uric acid, the predominant medium chain triglyceride in coconut oil, has been shown to block DHT production. So this ingredient is very useful. Next, we are going to add 10 ml of almond oil to this mix. Almonds are rich sources of DHT inhibition, so including this is very important in our DHT blocker oil. Next is 10 ml of sesame seed oil. Now the sesame oil is very nourishing to your hair, but very less people know that it's very useful for your hairs. It is also has a DHT blocking potentials. It nourishes your scalps, prevents dandruff, and is very useful to regrow your hair.
Next, you're going to mix set A with your set B. So here it is. I'm adding the set A mix in your set B, and you're going to mix it really well. After adding it, is going to be a very thick oil because we have not filtered it, and coconut oil also has a thickening property, so it's a very thick oil. Do not filter this oil. Just keep this oil in the dark place for 7 days, for entire 1 week, and then you're going to apply it on your scalp. While before applying, you have to slightly warm the oil and then apply it using your fingers, scalp nicely. Drench your hair, scalp in this oil and let it sit for at least 2 to 3 hours on your hair, and then wash off your hair. Do not use any sulfur containing shampoo. Use very mild shampoo like a baby shampoo and wash off your hair. You will have to apply this magic hair oil, DHT blocker oil, on your scalp at least twice a week. Let it sit for 3 hours and then wash. You can also leave it overnight to see very good results, but do not filter this oil. Let these ingredients be in the oil and also on your scalp when you apply it. So if you want to grow back your hair or grow your hairs longer, or stop hair fall. This is the solution for all three great problems that we face day to day in our life. So, applying this oil, I could see results in just 30 days. I hope you like this. Try this remedy at home and let me know in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.